G'day BCFers, how are ya? Now, it's a well-known fact that when it comes to portable camp barbecues, Weber is a name that definitely springs to mind. But what if I told you there's a new Weber workhorse specifically designed for the backyard barbecue bosses amongst us? Introducing the new Weber Spirit 2 310 gas grill. It's got all the bells and whistles you've come to expect from the Weber range, plus a few more thrown in for good measure. And what better way to check it out than putting it through its paces on a few Hitsky family favourites, ribeye, steak and veg skewers, and of course, a few snags as well. Right from the get-go, the first thing you'll notice is that the Weber is a snazzy bit of kit. Built to take pride of place on any deck, the open cart design not only holds all your cooking essentials, but it also looks the goods as well. There's also a fold down side table, tool hooks, a warming rack, and my personal favourite, the easy to read gas bottle holder and gauge to ensure you never get caught out. To crank it up, simply turn the dial, press the piezo ignition and set to your desired temperature. It should be noted that there are 3 individually controlled burners allowing you plenty of flexibility for cooking in zones or with indirect heat. Now, while that warms up, it should give me plenty of time to put the finishing touches on my skewers. Under the hood, you'll notice there's plenty of cooking real estate, more than enough to cook for the family and a few guests. Weber's trademark porcelain-enamelled cast iron grates ensure that classic Weber flavour without any of the stubborn, annoying cleanups after it. Speaking of cleanups, the drip tray can be easily accessed and changed out underneath the unit. Being a Weber, the Spirit is compatible with a whole range of accessories in the Weber range. So, no matter how inspired you're feeling with a set of tongs in your hand, Weber has your back every step of the way. Well guys, my cook up is done, and I'll tell you what, I can't wait to get stuck into a few of these with a coldie. Now, if you can see yourself working your culinary magic the Weber way, head into your local BCF and check out the new Weber Spirit. Happy cooking!